sun on the sea. Palm trees nodding just for me. Island breezes whispering low. Take it easy, let it flow.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Ananya. If you're new here, please subscribe. Guys, yet another new day and you saw काफी कुछ हुआ. सुबह breakfast कर लिया, swimming कर ली, and I'm all ready. But now we're actually heading to a different property. Usually whenever we stay at one place, हम try करते कि हम अलग-अलग areas में रहे just to get the vibe of all the places. So now we're gonna go to another resort that's called Riaz by Lavanya. तो अभी हम बस अपना cab का wait कर रहे हैं. Our stay here was pretty good. Now let's see if the next hotel is better. Let's go.
Wake up to the sun on the sea.
So wow, it's so windy. We didn't make it to our hotel, but obviously early check-in मिलने नहीं वाला है हमें. So we're gonna go out directly. हमने सामान यहाँ पे रख दिया अपना and we're going to the Sky Cap. Today it is operational. Thankfully it is. ठंड नहीं है, मैंने जैकेट इसलिए पहनी हुई है because ऊपर ठंडा होगा. I am pretty sure. So yeah, let's go.
Palm trees nodding just for me.
So turns out there was a very long queue to buy the tickets for Sky Cap. So we bought them online on the spot and went in directly. Pro tip, get your tickets online beforehand. It will be much easier. So we're inside the gondola and look at the view. It is crazy. And this is also the world's steepest gondola ride or cable car ride. And oh my god, you guys won't believe it. कितना ऊंचा है ये. And the wind is so strong. तो दिख ही रहा है, मेरे बाल भी उड़ रहे हैं. And we can feel the air. But the view is amazing, the vibe is amazing, and हमें private gondola ही मिल गया. It's just the 4 of us, so love that. And ये पूरा gondola भी हिल रहा है because the wind, as you can see, super adventurous. Now let me show you where we're going up there.
Island breezes whispering low. Take it easy, let it flow. Sip a coconut in the shade. Chillin' like lemonade. Sand between every toe.
So I'm currently at the middle station. We are here. This is the Eagle Nest. अभी हम वहीं जा रहे हैं चल के. But oh my god, the views are insane and the wind, I cannot tell you. इतनी तेज हवा चल रही है, लेकिन भाई vibe ही अलग है इस जगह की. Too good.
Chillin' like lemonade. Sand between.
Guys, this is insane. इतनी हवा चल रही है. I had to tie my hair also. But wow, look at that.
Can't rush a place so slow. Life in my Cali ain't no race. Every moment touching grace. Where's that whisper? Come unwind. Leave your worries fall behind.
Unfortunately, the sky bridge was closed because of the strong winds. Let me show you what it's like to be up there in between the clouds.
Stars begin to lightly show. Dreams just
हमें तो ऊपर आ गए. इतनी तेज हवा चल रही है. कंट्रोल पता मुझे लिटरली लग रहा है मैं ही उड़ जाऊंगी. इतनी तेज हवा है. माय फोन, आई हैव टू होल्ड इट सो टाइट. ओह माय गॉड, आई एम लिटरली इन द मिडल ऑफ द क्लाउड. लिटरली ऐसा लग रहा है माउंट एवरेस्ट या कहाँ आ गए भाई. इतनी तेज हवा, कुछ दिख नहीं रहा. इट्स ऑल वाइट. बट वाओ. There was also this small cafe on top, so we had a mushroom soup and lotus biscoff cheesecake before heading back to the ground.
getting inspired. Maybe we'll just stay a while. 'Cause freedom wears a tropical smile.
So we are back on the ground. Obviously weather की वजह से the sky bridge, the sky glide जो भी हमारे पैकेज में था ऊपर का वो सब नहीं हो पाया. But at least we got to see the eagle's nest and वहाँ से भी views मस्त थे. Now we have 3 additional things that we can do इधर ground पे. तो पहले we are going to the Sky Rex and the Sky Dome. Let me show you.
Tropical smile. Life in my car.
So the Sky Rex and Sky Dome were very lame, very kiddish. But the last thing on our list here was the 3D art museum. Random fact, but I went to my first ever 3D art museum in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. Even this one though was quite huge, so many different types of arts. So get ready to fill your phone storage with a lot of pictures.
Every moment touching grace. Where's that whisper? Come on, why?
So we are back at our hotel, and as you know, I actually swapped hotels and now we're staying at Riyaz by Lavanya. And oh my god, you are not ready for my room tour, or rather apartment tour. Come on in. Welcome to my home for the next 3 days. First up, we have the kitchen over here. How well made is this? I love the interiors. If you come on this side, we also have a double door fridge. We also have a washing unit over there. Then these are the cabinets. It's fully stocked up with all the cutlery we will need. Then we have the oven, the microwave. Here is the gas top, an island kitchen top, which I love. And wait, can we just talk about the frames over here? How pretty is this? Moving ahead, this is the dining area. Look at that lamp and look at this mirror. Oh my god. This is the mirror of my dreams for all my OOTDs. I love it. Then you move ahead, we have another photo frame right here. Then we have this chair to just chill. Then moving here is the sofa and the TV unit. Again, a very cozy space. The interiors are just so luxurious. But are you ready for the balcony? Let me show you. Oh my god, just look at this view. It is stunning. I mean, बीच जाने की जरूरत क्या है? यहाँ से मस्त sunset का view आएगा और क्या चाहिए vacation पे? Okay, that was the kitchen and the hall, but now let me show you the rooms first. Wow, this painting. Now let's go to the master bedroom first. Can you take a moment for the washroom as well? There's a bathtub, the mirror. Okay, even the cupboards are so nice. All the facilities like a bathrobe, hangers, iron board, everything is inside. Okay, another mirror right here. Now this is the study table. How cool is this lighting, right? There's a TV. There's this comfortable bed, and how cute is this setup that they made for my parents. Again, love the lighting. And you have the same view from here as well. Right opposite the first room is the second room. First off, we have a washroom over here. Again, there's a cupboard on this side, and then when you come inside the room, here's our bed, here's our study unit. Also this painting right there.
Why? Leave your worries far behind.
So for dinner, we headed out to Dash Beach Club, which was just at a walking distance from our hotel. And we ordered some mocktails, starters and pizza over here. And on all the beaches in Langkawi, there's a fire show at night. So we watched the fire show from our beach club itself, which was pretty cool.
Wake up to the sun on the sea.
So after a hearty breakfast, we headed to Tenga Beach. Our hotel even had a convenient golf cart service to take us to the beach. And this beach is actually less popular than the other beaches, but it's a peaceful spot to just soak in the sun and the waves. And it also offers some exciting water sports for adventurous people. But as we found out later, the other more popular beach, Senang Beach, prices for the water sports were cheaper at that beach. So make sure to keep that in mind. Hey guys, so I just got ready for the day and now we're gonna head to the Chenang beach and explore that area. हम already रात में तो जा चुके हैं एक बार as you saw, but दिन में देखते हैं कैसी vibe है. So let's go. So first we came to the Senang Mall, which is right opposite the Senang beach, and this mall is a very popular shopping destination in Langkawi. And since Langkawi is a duty-free island, you will find a lot of duty-free stores selling chocolates, perfumes, liquor, and more at unbeatable prices. So it's definitely a must visit.
Not just for me. Island breezes whispering low. Take it
While exploring the Senang beach, we decided to go parasailing, and it was my first time ever. The mix of excitement and nervousness was real, but as soon as I was up in the air, it was pure magic. Soaring high above the turquoise waters, and the view was just breathtaking, and the feeling absolutely unforgettable.
Sip on coconut in the shade.
After the thrill of parasailing, we spent some time wandering around Senang, and this area is buzzing with life, offering everything from local shops and quirky souvenirs to duty-free stores. And if you're craving comfort food, you will find plenty of Indian restaurants here. It's the perfect mix of beachy vibes, shopping, and amazing food.
Chillin' like lemonade. Stand between
Our next stop was the Old Town White Coffee, and this iconic Malaysian cafe chain is famous for its rich, creamy white coffee, a must try for coffee lovers. We also had this garlic bread, and it was the perfect pick me up after a long day of exploring. But that's not it, we spent some more time at the beach and just chilled around there.
life in Macau.
A brand new day, and we decided to take it slow by exploring the nearby shops on foot. Langkawi's charm is in its little discoveries, and walking around is the best way to soak it all in. Soon we reached the famous underwater world, which is known for its adorable penguins.
Wake up to the sun on the sea. Palm trees nodding just for me. Island breezes whispering low.
It's located super close to the Senang beach, so naturally we couldn't resist heading back there to enjoy the sun, sand, and sea.
Take
Hey guys, it's the last day of our trip. Actually, last few hours. We're gonna leave Langkawi like in an hour or so. But yeah, first let's go and have our last buffet breakfast in this hotel.
every moment touching grace.
Breakfast is all done, and it's time to say goodbye to this beautiful place, Langkawi. Oh my god, I'm gonna miss this view so much. I've been waking up to the ocean view. Just amazing. I mean, imagine this life. And I'm so grateful that I get to experience this and also experience this with you guys. I love that I can show all of this to you. So I really hope you guys also enjoyed coming on this trip with me. Obviously, Langkawi में और भी काफी चीजें करने के लिए you can go island hopping, you can go to the Geokilim Forest Park. But again, ये सब चीजें हमने already करी हुई है in Vietnam. So this trip was more chill and casual, and we lived like the locals in Langkawi, which is always awesome. So now we're just gonna leave for the airport and go back home to Delhi.
Where's that whisper? Come unwind. Leave your
But yeah, I'm gonna end the vlog right here. So if you made it till here, then comment these emojis, and thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, then don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel. Share this video with your friends. Follow me on Instagram. And until next time, bye.